Hello everyone, this is Lina Moon. Welcome to my channel in this video. Today I am going to discuss with you common English phrases and expressions that you can use in your everyday life. You would not find these expressions normally in textbooks, but it is very important to know these expressions. So I hope you are ready. Are you trying to plus verb?
You are asking someone if they are attempting to do something. This can be something mentally or physically.
Are you trying to put the baby to sleep for an hour? Are you trying to call a meeting? Are you trying to read this book third time? Are you trying to talk in Chinese language? Are you into plus noun?
Here you are asking a question about an interest they might have or something they might enjoy doing.
Are you into wine tasting? Are you into fixing cars? Are you into painting house? Are you into cracking nuts? Use seem plus adjective.
When stating you seem, you are referring to the person you are talking to and expressing that they are giving the impression of or appear to be.
You seem funny due to swelling on your nose. You seem a foolish person. You seem confused about the rules of the game. You seem worried about health of your dad. I wish I could plus verb.
Here you are expressing a desire to do something.
I wish I wear a beautiful dress in party. I wish I could solve all objectives in the exam. I wish I could settle the argument. I wish I could untie. I wish I could untie this knot, which is too tight. Let me try this. Yes, I did it. I don't know what to plus verb.
You are letting someone know that you are not sure about what is being asked. You may also have no knowledge or opinion on a topic.
I don't know what you ask you about your accident. I don't know what to do to become a billionaire. I don't know what to do to make you happy. I don't know what to purchase for birthday. I don't know what to do to reduce extra expenditure. I don't know what to cook for dinner. Do you mind if I plus verb?
You are asking someone in present tense if they object to something you are asking.
Do you mind if I ask you a question? Do you mind if I blow out the candle? Do you mind if I fetch your mother from the station? Practice some more sentences on would you mind. Would you mind waiting for me for 5 minutes? Would you mind being silent for a moment? Would you mind if I finish this work in a week? Would you mind if I left this job? I am not sure if subject plus verb.
I am not sure expresses a feeling of uncertainty or lack of confidence on a particular matter.
I'm not sure if he will come first in the race. I'm not sure if I will get this job by chance. I'm not sure they will permit us to park there. I'm not sure if I understand your question. I have heard that. Subject plus verb.
You are letting someone know that you are aware of something or that you have been informed of something that is taking place. This could be something that has already happened or something happening in the near future.
I have heard that your wife is a yoga instructor. I have heard that you borrowed money and forgot to pay it back. I have heard that you took his permission. I have heard that he shut himself in his room and worked for hours. I have heard that you want to leave your job. I have heard that you smoked before.